our new listing at Cudjoe Gardens at 165 Colson Drive. You're gonna see what you get in the Cudjoe Key area for about $1.5 million. This brand new house was just recently completed, a little bit over 1,500 square feet. The lot size is just under half an acre, so a very large lot. It's got some amazing landscaping, open water views, high-end materials. The living room's got 18-foot ceilings. We've got some wide plank French oak floors, Cambria quartz countertops, LED lighting throughout, and composite decking. Let's go in and take a look.